Namaskar, I am Dr. Shalin from Manage. In this session, we will discuss warehousing and its various aspects like what is a warehouse, what are the different functions performed by it, why is it considered so important for agriculture marketing, and also about the challenges in warehousing sector and the legal framework within which a warehouse operates. And when we speak of need and importance of warehousing, there are so many socio-economic aspects to it. But a simple logic that we may easily follow is that in agriculture, we harvest crops during a small window but consume that throughout the year, and that's why storage is important. It provides time utility. But as I mentioned, there are so many aspects to it, and that's why government has recognized the importance of warehousing for the development of agriculture marketing and well-being of farmers. Accordingly, a number of steps have been taken by the government in recent past to strengthen agri-warehousing and encourage participation of private players. As far as institutional arrangement is concerned, for promotion and construction of scientific warehouses in the country, there are recommendations by many organizations at different point of time, be it Royal Commission on Agriculture 1928 or Royal Banking Inquiry Committee 1949. However, it was the recommendations of the Rural Credit Survey Committee in 1954 which led to the enactment of Agriculture Produce, Development and Warehousing Corporations Act 1956. And in the year 1962, the Agriculture Produce, Development and Warehousing Corporations Act 1956, the same act, become basis for two acts, namely National Cooperative Development Corporation Act 1962 and the Warehousing Corporations Act 1962. National Cooperative Development Corporation Act 1962 is responsible for different activities being carried out by cooperatives, whereas the Warehousing Corporations Act 1962 defined specific functions and areas of operation of central and state warehousing corporations along with the list of notified commodities allowed for storage. These enactments helped in establishment of public warehousing system in the country operating at three levels: the Central Warehousing Corporations, CWC, for the markets of all India importance, State Warehousing Corporations, SWC, for secondary markets operating at district level, and cooperatives to look after the warehousing needs at the village and community level. Initially, the private sector was shy of making investment in warehousing sector for being a highly capital intensive industry. Various policy initiatives taken by the government to support construction of warehouses post 90s encouraged private players to participate, and it was this massive growth in storage capacity by participation of private players that led the government to develop regulatory framework to have a credible warehousing ecosystem in the country. And accordingly, Warehousing Development and Regulation Act 2007 was enacted to regulate and strengthen warehousing activities in the country and put in place a regulatory framework for negotiable warehouse receipt. So it was briefly about the background and about definition. Warehousing can be defined as an act or process of storing large quantities of goods which can be sold or used at a later date. Warehousing is not just confined to storage but offers a comprehensive service providing link between production and consumption dynamics, covering activities like receiving, identifying, holding, assembling, delivering, transporting, and making goods available to meet the demand. About need for warehousing. Warehousing is required in agriculture and it has some specific characteristics. Agriculture has some specific characteristics like seasonal production, price stabilization through procurement during peak season and distribution during period of short supply, then large scale production, continuous production, then regular supply. As harvest is during a short window, but you have to make sure that the same harvest is actually getting supplied throughout the year. Then seasonal demand, like in case of inputs produced round the year but consumed only during the season. If we speak about the functions performed by warehouse, it serves some important purposes like storage of surpluses, cleaning and grading, consolidation, processing, traceability, financing, holding, transportation, distribution, reverse logistics, cleaning and forwarding. So you can see how comprehensive it is. Warehousing is also an important link in agriculture marketing. Agri-warehousing is one of the key components in the development of agriculture marketing system for the wide range of roles it performs all along the supply chain. It offers safe storage of agriculture produce, facilitates transportation and logistics, prevent distress sale of agriculture produce immediately after harvest when the prevailing prices are at their lowest generally. It facilitates institutional credit through warehouse receipt, covers risk as goods stored in a warehouse are insured against various risks like fire, flood, cyclone, strike, riots, theft, burglary, etc. Better price discovery for agriculture produce, stability in prices, that is, provide flexibility in timing of sale, also ensures availability of agri inputs by providing storage to agricultural inputs. Then challenges. This sector is also not free from challenges. It faces challenges like land availability, lack of standardization, high cost of credit, fragmented market, then lack of IT penetration, lack of trained manpower. So, agri-warehousing has come a long way. Today, it has a comprehensive service taking care of various activities all along the supply chain. Government has also taken right kind of steps to strengthen the sector and regulate its activities that will help in improving the confidence of the players participating in the sector. Already we can observe that participation of private players has improved, storage capacity has gone up, and changes experienced in the trade environment like introduction of ordinances on trade and commerce and price assurance will further provide the right kind of impetus to the sector. So, it was briefly about the agri-warehousing in India. Thank you.